I love Cracker Barrel's Old Country Store, especially at Christmas time.
It's the holidays, and that means Cracker Barrel. Yes, the menu is still the basic same with the parchment paper, but look at that, new desserts for the holidays. Feel free to take a pause and look at the section of the menu that you would like to view and check out the ingredients and all that's available. But why are we taking this time? Well, it's because the holiday menu is out. And this holiday menu has a to-go option where you can order an entire meal to go for the holidays. And we just wanted to let you know that they're doing it again this year, and they're doing a beautiful job of it. I know for this meal, Joy, of course, loves Cracker Barrel because with her limited food intake as far as some allergies that she has, Cracker Barrel always has something great for her to eat. And of course, I love everything on the menu. And they even do an excellent job of lima beans, which is one of the things we got. Joy got the chicken and the lima beans, and somehow dessert got delivered early, but don't worry about that, we still didn't touch it. And then here we're back at the lima beans, and the fried apples was excellent. And my brother, who was our guest, had the meatloaf and french fries, and then I had the seafood. And Cracker Barrel is never going to be famous for their seafood, so take that as a hint. Anyway, dessert was wonderful. The cobbler was wonderful. Okay. I don't know why this happens.
Angel is a huge baby. When he puts flea drops on her, she acts like it's just torture to her to have this little drop of liquid fall on her. She does it every time. It must be a smell or something that she doesn't like, because how can she even feel a little drop of oil through all that thick hair? But this is how she acts whenever he does it. She's saying, stop, stop. She's saying, I don't want it, I don't want it. She does this every time she gets flea stuff. Angel. Putting drops on, she acts like it's hurting her. He hates flea stuff. Huskies have a double coat of fur. There's no way she can feel that, but she just freaks out. We're in this beautiful location. There are water birds around. This is Boondockers Welcome. What do you do when hubby forgets to lock the door of your RV and your husky takes off running after the birds? And with most huskies, you can't even catch them when they take off running. You can't even catch them until they've had their run out and they're done running. So that's the case with her. And she's tired now. That's one tired husky. She took off running after those birds, and now she's back. We got her. I was praying, posted for prayer, and thankfully it wasn't very long. Hubby brought her back. She's one tired girl. She had a run. Didn't even scold her. She came in, got a drink. I loved on her, petted her, gave her affection, told her she's loved, that we love her, and she came over here and laid down by the step. Tired husky. She had her run in. That's a husky thing. That's what they do. Thankfully, she didn't get hit by any cars. Hubby accidentally left the door open, and not open, but not latched and not locked. She saw those water birds outside here in the field, and she took off. Thank you for watching. We are Joy Bless Life on social media. Please subscribe, give us a like, leave us a nice comment, and share. Have a blessed day. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. We appreciate you very much.